In this video, I'll show you how you can get the most FPS and best performance in Once Human. Now first what we want to do is make sure we're not connected to a VPN. Actually many times a VPN is just going to cause issues when you're using Steam, so simply disconnect from your VPN. Now the second thing we want to do is right click on our desktop, come into display settings, from in here find graphic settings and find hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Make sure this is turned on. You can simply search for it down here as well if you cannot find the graphic settings. Then what else we want to do is we want to come down here. We want to press browse. And in here we want to find our Once Human folder. Usually it's on your disk with your Steam installed. Mine is on my other disk. Find Steam, Steam apps, common, and in here you should have all the games. Go to Once Human, click on oncehuman.exe and add it. Now once it's added, you want to press on it, options, and choose high performance. Now if you cannot find it, you can simply open Steam, right click on your game out here, properties, and then press browse right here, and it will show you where you have the game installed. Now something else we can try is we can come down here and search for game mode, open up the game mode settings, enable game mode, come to game bar and make sure this is turned off. Now another thing is we can come down here and go to task manager, go to details, click on memory, sort it by memory, and then you can see what uses the most memory. If you come in processes, you can see in here, my Google is using a lot of memory, my OBS is using the most CPU, this is very low, so this is fine. But let's say your memory or your GPU or something is at like 90%, you can close the programs that you don't need that use way too much. Now what else we can try is we can right click on our desktop and open up Nvidia control panel. Now when this opens, we can change some settings for better performance. First you want to go to manage 3D settings, scroll down until you find power management mode and choose prefer maximum performance. Scroll down further and find texture filtering quality and do high performance. And when you do this, you can also come up here and you can use my preference and choose performance just like this. But if you change the 3D settings, you can just do the 3D application decide. So that's basically what you can do in here. Make sure you have these on, performance and performance. Then the last thing is you can simply go into the game, find your video settings, and from in there you can turn it down and make sure it's on low or medium. The further you go down, the better FPS you will get, but of course the quality will be lower. That's about it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.